Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where I revamp all things beauty. In this video, we're going to do a product review on this awesome backdrop that has wheels on it. I am focused on trying to have a situation where my backdrop can roll with me wherever I go, and this can give me that in no time. Now, I don't usually assemble things. That is not the things I do. I usually hand over that task to somebody else that I know. But today we're doing it. We're making it happen. And I would admit it was actually super easy to put together. So I purchased this backdrop because I wanted to do a party, and I wanted a backdrop for my party. And then also, I do create content for YouTube as well as other things. And so even like when I do mini photo shoots, I could do mini photo shoots with this. Like, there's so many possibilities of having your own backdrop. And so I thought this would be a great buy. As you see, this is not a step-by-step tutorial, but a watch and learn. So just sit back, relax, and watch me put this backdrop together. As you see from the description, this is a 10 by 7 foot backdrop. These two poles extended to be even wider. I just love how this backdrop can move around. The wheels can swivel and turn and move how you want it. It won't be stuck in one place, and that's major for me. On top of that, it can get longer. Should I say wider? So this is my sheet that I purchased off of Amazon. A regular white backdrop sheet, cotton. And as you see right here, I'm locking in the wheels so they don't move. So it doesn't have to move. You can have an option where it's immovable. And so that's what I'm doing here. Let's put up this backdrop, okay? Now, I saw on Amazon and all other places, there's many cool backdrops, from gold to wood. Like, there's so many other options out there, but this was the cheapest one or most inexpensive one I could find. But I think I'm going to play around with other color backdrops after I'm done with this. I got this backdrop off of Amazon, but it's currently unavailable, so I'll attach some links for ones that are available. As you see, the item did come with 4 durable clips. So once the backdrop has been clipped in place, it's time to raise it to its highest level. I rock it from left to right, adjusting the knobs as I go up until it's at its highest level. Now, I know AI has that cool technology where you can use the green backdrop and have whatever backdrop you want, but sometimes we like to do things the old school way. Especially if you're doing a party, you can't do no AI backdrop for a party. You're going to want to just purchase a backdrop sheet or whatever material you desire and have something that's easy to put up. Now I plan to get rid of the wrinkles by putting it in a dryer. The sheet can go in the dryer, and put a wet washcloth or dampen the sheet itself and the wrinkles will go away, or you can buy a steamer. Here's a quick look of how the backdrop came out for my birthday party. And just like that, you have your backdrop set up. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Peace.